Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps to perform iOS image upgrade on Cisco Catalyst 9300 switch. And today we are going to upgrade from 16.12.2 to 16.12.3a, also known as Gibraltar.
So the first step is to set up your computer as a TFTP server. To do that, I have installed a free TFTP software called TFTPD64. Open up the software and look at the directory. In my PC, it's C program files TFTPD64. Next, go into your Cisco account and download the new iOS image. Copy the iOS image into the directory of the TFTP server, that is C program files TFTP64. Next, click on Show Directory button on TFTPD64 application. And you should see the iOS image that you just copied into C program files TFTPD64. That means your TFTP server is ready. Next, log into your Catalyst 9300 switch via console or SSH. So now I'm going to first confirm that I can ping the TFTP server. Ping 172.16.108.117. So today we are going to upgrade iOS XE 1612X, which is also known as Gibraltar. And on this switch stack, I'm going to upgrade the iOS image from 16.12.02 to 16.12.03. So let me do a show version. And as we can see, it is on 16.12.02. This step is optional. I'm just doing it so I can see the whole copy process. Config T line VTY04 EXEC timeout 120. dir flash shows the contents of flash memory, and also dir space flash :* bin shows if there is any bin file on the flash memory right now. As we can see, there is no bin file right now. Keep the name of the iOS image handy. So I'm going to copy it and we'll need it shortly. So go to the switch again and type in copy TFTP flash. So we are copying from TFTP to flash. And give the address of the TFTP server, which in my case is 172.16.108.117. Source file name is the one we just copied, which is the name of the iOS image. Enter. Destination file name is the same. So now it's going to copy. It's getting copied slowly. And we can see the progress of file transfer in the TFTP server application in my computer, which is at 15% right now. File transfer is now complete and it took around 1 hour. We should see the file now if we do dir flash : bin, enter. There it is, the file that just got copied. It is the new iOS image 16.12.3. Go to config mode and set the boot variable to boot system flash. System flash packages.conf, enter. Now do a show boot system. and it shows that the boot variable is flash packages.conf. To install the software, I just enter the command install add file flash and the file name .bin activate commit, enter. This install add file command will automatically install and activate the package. I am going to start doing terminal pings to the switch so to check how long it will take. So I haven't lost any pings yet. All right, now it's back up. Now let's go and get into the switch again and do show version. Okay, now it is saying uptime is 1 minute and the switch is on a new version, Cisco iOS XE 16.12.03. We just upgraded from 16.12.02 to 16.12.03. The time it took to reboot was only 5 minutes. That's good. The only thing left now is to do cleanup, which is, there's a command for that, which is install remove inactive. So it will remove all the inactive files and images. It says it's cleaning up unnecessary package files and the following files will be deleted. Do you want to remove the above files? I say yes. And now it says success, install remove. And if I do a dir flash :* bin, I don't see that bin file anymore, but the iOS has already upgraded, so I don't need that file again. Both the switches in the switch stack are now in the new software version, and the iOS upgrade is complete for the Catalyst 9300 stack switch. I hope this video was useful for you, and if so, don't forget to click on the like button, and if you can also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified as soon as I post videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a successful day. Bye.